we're gonna go deliver this package to this guy. It's to the welding machine, right? Alright.
Hey, where do you need this package at?
Yeah, go ahead and put the package right there on the steps. We'll be right back.
Pull up in your yard and get it back. Oh my goodness! Come on. Now, if you made it, I would have let it slide. Only because that would have been fine.
Come on. Finally got this welding machine package. Using the Ranger 10,000 today, we're gonna run this new piece of equipment and see how well it works. You guys stay tuned. This is new for me, just like it's new for you. In this video, we got this is what we got going on here. First things first, most prime cut plasma cut 60. Yes, we got it. And we will be getting another device once the building's done completely. All right, guys, so we're back and we got the beast out of the box. We got it out of the box. Got a prime weld. So total for prime weld to buy it off Amazon, it was like $700 plus shipping. Or no, shipping was free. It was like $700, I think. Yeah. So this is prime weld. This is what we got, guys. Prime weld. So we're gonna take a look at the machine. The machine looks undamaged. Everything looks pretty good. LED screen. Never had a new plasma cutter like this for low price. This might be better than Harbor Freight plasma cutter. We're gonna run through some tests. Put it up and keep it in mint condition because we got another thing coming soon. Didn't order it yet, but it's in the works. We're talking about a possible plasma cutting table. It's gonna change the game. We'll see though. All right, run it. We can run it off of 220. We're gonna try that, see how that works, see how the generator reacts with it. So we're gonna hook it up, plug it up, and run that 20-foot plasma cutting thing over. And we're gonna cut some pieces, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's see if we got this, guys. We're gonna test it out. We got the guide and everything, so we're gonna cut some angles, some square tube. We got a lot of square tube actually, so we got some scrap we can use and make these cuts. Let's check it out. We'll be right back. First startup of springtime for the generator welder. It's been a while and I haven't started it up yet. And I haven't been using it that much. So we pull the lever out. I think we need a new starter. We need a new starter. We need a new starter.
Woo! Purr like a kitten! So that is 3/8. It's got dross, a lot of slag on the back side of the plate, which ain't nothing. You just take a little chipper and you just chip, chip, chip. Comes off really easy. It's a nice clean cut. And it's really hot, of course. I'm on 40. So if 40 can cut up to 3/8, 20 can cut almost, well, I'd say 40 and then a happy median. Okay guys, so we ran into a little snafu. The camera died, so I had to get another battery pack. That's why I always keep one on deck when you're doing YouTube. You know, gotta keep double of everything. Double batteries, double screens, double cameras, double computers. No double plasma cutter. So this thing is on We got the Lincoln Ranger set all the way to AC. Everything's up to the max on everything. We got it's on 34 and it cut 3/8. Here, let me show you. It cut 3/8 at 34 amps. I don't know what the book says on that, and the air compressor just kicked off. So let me get the book, see what the book say. The book should tell you. Half inch, they say 60 amps for half inch. We just cut 3/8 on less. So aluminum 1/4 inch at 45. Not bad, 1/4 inch. Minimum dross on the bottom, you might have to clean it up. And it's extremely hot. This is 1/4 inch aluminum. Let's go grab some tube. Let's go grab some tube real quick and we'll cut some of that. So we're gonna shut it off. So, can it cut 1/4 inch tube? Yes. Will it help me with my building? Yes. Here's what the cut looks like. This is with me rushing through the cut. No cuts are perfect, but look, this is what it looks like. It's a nice clean cut. It's pretty square. I use my square, so it's a pretty square cut. So nobody can't get on me, but it's not a square cut. It's a square cut all the way around. It's pretty much flush and even. A little bit of flat wheel action and it'll be a nice, beautiful cut, okay? So, we're gonna look at this. Yes, I went a little fast. So, it cuts clean, guys. So, let's sit down. Let's talk about this cutter real quick. And what this means for the welding machine channel and business. Yeah, this plasma cutter is making waves, and this plasma cutter works really well from how I can see and what I'm going to be generally using. Half inch, that'll be another story when I get power to the building, then we can fully test this machine and its capabilities. Again, so with this torch, you can get a replacement torch. It's inexpensive compared to other brands out there. You can go to Harbor Freight and get one for $12,000. That's cool and all, but this one does 60 amps, 3-year warranty. This is probably by far the best cheap plasma cutter I bought. So I'm gonna be getting a plasma cutting table soon. Mark my words, it's gonna happen. Don't know when, don't know how, but it's gonna happen. So y'all stay tuned, because this is a journey for all of us. And you guys can see how the welding machine is growing. We got the shop still going. We're not finished with it yet. We still gotta put the top on. That's the only thing that's stopping me, is this truck. Gotta get this truck floor pans done. Get the doors back on. Gotta do all of this stuff. That's what's stopping me from getting this top on this building. So, you know what that means. Let's get to it.